This one with the this is his look. This is his dinosaur form. This one, see, it's very nice. Very when he become a dinosaur. The only flying of the group of the Dinobots. But all of them as a robot, as you watch the G1, they all flying. Even Optimus Prime, even all the Autobots, even though they're not a jet in their vehicle form, they're in the land because they are all have wheels. But in the cartoons, they all flying. They have ability to fly, but they explain, but they're not their specialty. When they fly, especially the Autobots, when they fly, they're not designed to fly, but they have only they have an engine to fly. But when they use their flying skills, they use so much energy, so much power. That's why they use sometimes jetpack. They call it jetpack, like Optimus Prime. Even though in the cartoons we saw them, they can fly. But when she want to chase the Decepticons, he borrow Sideswipe because Sideswipe have a jetpack. In the cartoons, he buy the he borrow Sideswipe jetpack. That's why they explain it. Why Optimus Prime have to borrow Sideswipe jetpack if they're have ability to fly? Because when they fly, they use their engine. They use too much energy. That's why they are very heavy. No, not that very heavy. They're not designed to fly because they're designed in the land. Because they have wheels. They have wheels. That's why all the Decepticons, they're all designed flying. Because most of the Decepticons, there are a group of seekers. They call it seekers. That's why when you watch the new one, the Transformer one, it's the origin how Megatron and Optimus Prime have a rival. They're a separate function because of Sentinel Prime. Yeah, Megatron hate someone who bullied and someone who lying. That's why I make my own team. I never what you call it, never manipulate other. I don't want to manipulate manipulate me. She create his own team, and in the Transformer One movie that been aired a while ago in a cinema, Starscream is the leader of the Seeker. All the flying jets like that, and all of them they became Decepticons. That's why they are good in aerial battle because they are designed to fly. But Autobots, most of Autobots, they're designed in the land because they have wheels. That's the explanation. That's why somebody confused. I watched Optimus Prime, all the Autobots fly in G1 Generation 1 cartoons. But how come they have to ride with Jetfire? You know Jetfire, the one with it's a big carrier plane. Even in the cartoons, they always get inside Jetfire to go somewhere else. but they have ability to fly because when they fly, they use a